I am a faculty in Biomedical Engineering Department, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, India. Today I just want to present here the issues about the infrared imaging, which is one of the most deserted imaging modality by the imaging community. It's most effective, versatile. So to in short, this infrared is essentially is a very good source. Human body is an infrared source, and this method is convenient because the infrared source wavelength is in the range of 9.5 to 10, which is easily available. In this, what they do is that the temperature variations on the skins are converted into electrical signals and are presented as an image. It's a very simple method, but effective. But FDA has approved this method as adjunct to diagnostic procedure for mass screening of this thing. Our objective in this lab is to devise a portable medical thermography system, which could be used for mass screening of breast cancer across this thing. So, there are fundamentally two issues here. One is the technology of infrared detector, and we had to come out with a mathematical model which can convert a very small change in surface temperature, body temperature, into observable parameter for clinical these things. So there are two options here. One is thermal detector or a photo detector. Normally used as a thermal detector, microbolo detector. They don't need cooling. You can do it. Wherever this thing is given here a simple method with which one can use. Some of the issues here is identifying appropriate detecting material and how to convert that using a readout circuit to your essential information. On mathematical model part, there are no such models available here which can exactly simulate your or convert your observable change in temperature into a measurable device. So there are other effects which are not being considered into model, just like the ambience and atmospheres. There are a lot of scope for innovation here. So you had to come out with this. This is what we are trying now. Actually, it's a very simple camera. So we tried analyzing the carotid arteries on the face and then hand. This is the commercially available, approved by FDA. But still, the sensitivity of the system, existing commercial systems are very less, cannot be used for mass screening. That's our objective here. My objective is to develop those two things. I'm looking for some collaboration wherein we can work on processing of images, acquisition of images, defining the protocols. I will list it out like here. So our wish list is to develop of techniques and automated algorithm or the analysis of thermograms to extract meaningful information for the clinical use, the most important thing. And then model-based estimation of very small change in temperature due to physiological and pathological changes, incorporating artifacts and environmental effects. So most of the environmental effects are not being considered in the current commercially available systems. The third one is the calibration, validation of development method and algorithm with other methods. So no such protocol or standards are of course now available. So that we need to come out with with the protocols and standards to analyze better the thermograms. This is my this thing. You can contact me in this address. So in the Biomedical Engineering Group, Department of Applied Mechanics, Chennai, India. Okay, thank you. So,